Hello everyone, we are Team Flowmind AI. So what is Flowmind AI? Flowmind AI is a AI based dashboard which enhance the offline entertainment experience for the audience. So as you can see that there is the dashboard of the Flowmind AI comprising of two options of the login. First is the guest option and second is the admin option. So what is the guest option for? So guest option is for the users who want to have a information about the gates which are available in the stadium and in which they are enjoying their favorite cricket match, their favorite football match, and their favorite concert. And what is the admin dashboard? So the admin dashboard is for the people who are working in the stadium, the staff, the owner of the stadium is admin dashboard is for those people. So first I will show you that logging in the admin panel. So firstly I will enter the admin email ID. So admin email ID. So here as I have entered the admin credentials, so I am clicking on the login. On clicking the login, I will enter to the admin dashboard. So as you can see here, the total occupancy of my stadium is being shown here, which is 45,553. So capacity of 91%. So how it is calculating? So in the backend, we are using the YOLO model, which is a computer vision model. So what the YOLO do? YOLO just capture the overall crowd occupancy of the stadium, and it will calculate that how many people are enjoying the matches and how much the stadium is occupied, and it show that how the things are going on throughout the stadium. So as you can see that we are also giving the live crowd heat map here, which have four gates A, B, C and D. So in the gate A, let's say the people are going towards gate A mode. A lot of people are getting together at gate A, and it is being crowded. So let's say gate A being critical. So here I have clicked it manually. So in the backend we are integrating the YOLO model, the computer vision model, which will do it automatically. So after that what we will do, so whenever we will got to know that any of the gate is getting critical zone, so our YOLO model will, the AI model that we are integrating, what it will do, it will automatically put up some discount and offers on the other gates B, C and D. For example, the gate A is getting a critical zone and it is getting 95% capacity of the crowd. So what we will do, as you can see, the AI actions dashboard is here. So as it is saying that search crowd detected at the gate A, so what it will do, it will start offers at gate B, which will make it critical also, and after that, after some time, both the gates will get distributed load, so the both gates will get normal. So also we will get the live analytics. So let's say gate A is get critical, gate D is also getting critical, and B and C are getting normal, operational normally. So live analytics will show that gate A having 95% of occupancy, 30% and 30%, and again 95%. And also the revenue operations we can also manage from here. But let's say we can also have the stats of burger sales. As you can see, the revenue is getting more by burger. So what we can do, we can hike the prices to maximize the profit. Let's say $5 is the cost of the burger, so we can increase it to $5.5. So 10% price is hiked, so which is making it a revenue increase. And also the drinks, we can see here that it is a critical stock. The stock is getting lesser. As you can see, the stock is 120 out of 1000 is remaining, so we can restock it also to maximize our profits. And team jersey, as you can see that 900 out of 900, 800 are remaining, so it is not getting sold off. So what we can do at the time of critical gates, we can give offers on jerseys, and we can show it to the screens which are available in the stadium, throughout the stadium. That at gate A, at gate D, there are the offers running for the jerseys that you want to buy, or for your favorite teams to support your team, so which will make them normal load. So this is all that we have created to maintain the stadiums more efficiently and more smoothly, and to avoid any kind of disturbance that happened usually in the stadiums. And also the energy saver that we have created, it is a revolutionary feature that we are trying to implement. What is this? So let's say their stadium is running, and some places are there where people are not getting a lot of people there, the crowd is not so much there, so we should use that heavy lights in that area. So what we can do, our YOLO model will get to that places, and it will automatically dim the lights, the fans, the accessories that are running in that portion, and it will make that dim, making the power control, and it will also increase the revenue. How it will maximize the profit by minimizing the expenses. So that is Flowmind AI, keeping everything here at one place under the one dashboard, and user can easily maintain it. So that is all we have created for Flowmind AI. Also, it is in implementing phase, we are making it better day by day. So thank you, and this is all.